Another Subaru engine, once again. Has a knocking, like usual. And Subaru Legacy, motor out, just like that. Boom. Time to tear down and rebuild. Rebuild has begun. One head off, looking horrible. Okay, boys and girls, time to assemble the new block. That's the old Subaru block. It's the new Subaru block. New pistons, new rods, new rings, everything new. New machined heads. Look at that. Woo! All this go back together. All new timing chains, guides, tensioners, head gaskets, everything. Looks like fun. Almost done. Timing set, everything. Heads are on. The old block. Engine rebuild complete. All assembled. Ready to go back into the car. Brand new. Old block and all the parts that were in there to rebuild this thing. All the old parts right here. Woo! Rebuild complete. Legacy is back on the road. Engine running. Look at that. Woo! Quiet. It's got a bleed power steering pump. That's it.